The cold rolling mill runs at high speed, testing the roll's limits every moment. If the roll fails, the whole production line has to stop. To solve this problem, engineers designed a clever solution: the roll sleeve. The sleeve is mounted outside the cold roll, and it bears most of the stress during rolling. When the sleeve cracks or wears out, replacing it lets the roll work again. For high-end cold rolls, Jiangyin Eternal uses electroslag remelting to remove inclusions, refine grains, and obtain purer steel ingots. Forging is the most critical step in the whole manufacturing process. It not only gives the roll its basic shape, but more importantly, it breaks down the coarse as cast structure, refines, homogenizes, and densifies the microstructure, preparing it for later quenching. The forging of cold roll sleeves is a challenge to material limits and a pursuit of ultimate precision.